Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to split, merge, rotate and get information from PDF files using Python. So here's my code editor. I'm using VS Code with Jupyter Notebooks, which makes it easier to explain things. So our first step would be imports. We will import PyPDF2 and from that we will import two classes, PDF Reader and PDF Writer. Simple enough, right? Once reads the PDF, the other one writes it. Now on to step 2, we will load and read basic information of our PDF file. Right, so let me add a new variable that will be log_file, and here we will save the location of our file. So let me open up this file so you guys can see what it has. It's a simple sample invoice and it has 2 pages. So let's close it. So let's create a PDF reader object and load the file. So we say reader equals PDF reader, and here we will give the location of the file. You can give this location directly inside of this as well, but this is always easier. So let's run the imports and let's load the file. Let me add a new cell below. You can simply add that by doing B, and here we want to print the total pages, so we will say print total pages and then we say length reader dot pages. Let's do that. It says the PDF has 2 pages, which is correct. So now let's look at the metadata. So we say print document info reader dot metadata. Run it and it gives you the title of the file, gives you the creator and some other information as well. So step 3 would be split multiple files. So here I'm going to use PDF Writer to grab just the first page and save it to a new file called split1.pdf. So we create a writer variable that saves PDF Writer. Then we say writer dot add page, and here we'll say reader dot pages 0. We will just accept the auto completion, which is correct. So this basically adds first page to the reader object, to the writer variable you just created. Then we will say with open split1.pdf, which is the file name we want to give. Then we will give WB, which is read write mode, as F, and then we simply say writer dot write F. Let's run this and see you have split 1 PDF created. Let's open up this file and see you have page 1 extracted as a separate file. Let's go back to our code, and similarly if you want to split another page, you simply do the same thing. Say writer.pdf writer, and here you simply say pages 1 and we're gonna say split 2. Let's run this, go back here, and you see you have split 2 here, second page created as well. Go back to VS Code. And now what we're gonna do is we are gonna merge multiple files. So let's look at how we can do that. So we simply create a new writer. We say merged equals PDF writer, and we simply say merge dot append split 1, and similarly merger dot append split 2. And like before, we use with open merge dot pdf read write as F, and then we simply say merger dot write F. Let's run it. Let's look at the merged files. So you see you have the merged file created here. Let's open it up, and you have the 2 pages merged back. Great. Here's another cool trick. You can rotate pages as well. Let's look at that. So we create a new variable called page and we save the first page in it, and then we say page dot rotate 90. Then we create a PDF writer equals, we add the page to the writer, and then we export it like we have done before. So we say with open rotated or PDF read write, and then writer dot write. Run the code. Let's look at what we have. and you see you have this page rotated as 90 degrees. Let's say you want to know the exact size of a PDF page. Maybe you're working with print layouts or need to adjust scaling. With just 2 lines, you can get the width and height of the page's endpoints. So let's add that. We'll save the first variable as original width float, and then we say page.mediabox.width, and similarly we'll create a new variable for original height. We say float page.mediabox.height, and then we simply print these two in one line. So let's do that. Say print original width and original height. Run it, and it says original width 792 and height 612. Keep in mind that these two are endpoints. And there you go, you got the dimensions of your page. So in this tutorial, read PDF information, split pages into separate files, merge multiple PDFs, rotate pages, and get page dimensions, all using PyPDF2 in just few lines of code. Pretty awesome, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of PDF automation you'd like to see next. Maybe extracting text, watermarks, or even password protected PDFs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.